As a newbie, aren't you curious about what is inside those money-making mining machines? Like, what exactly inside of these machines that make a lot of money a day? Or, as if you are experienced, don't you want to know where your money went? Like, what exactly you are paying for in those miners? So today, I'm about to do something crazy. We're gonna rip apart this Jasminer X16-Q to show you guys what exactly you're paying big bucks for and what's really hidden under those pricey machines, and break down every single dollar you spend. So this has been our absolute best seller at JingleMining since day one. Thanks to its high efficiency and stable earnings, countless customers have chosen this machine. And here's the really cool part. When you actually turn this on, you will notice something amazing is, compared to most miners, this thing is incredibly quiet. Like, it's so quiet you could literally sleep with it in your bedroom. We are talking about like super low noise level here. And also the temperature control is also fantastic. And once we take a look inside, you will understand exactly why I call this perfect choice for home mining. Alright, what you're looking at here is the heatsink, and underneath it are the chips. All the heat from a mining machine is generated by these chips, which is why all that heat build up on the heat sinks above them. And the heat sink is mainly made of aluminum alloy. And here is the important part. The denser and heavier the heat sink is, the better it cools. Just look at how dense it is. I'm gonna take one off and show you guys. Okay, so if you guys have another mining machine at home, go ahead and compare. See? Right there. You can see there's barely any space left between the fins. It's way more packed than most miners out there. And now let's weigh it, okay? Okay, let's put it. Right, you see that? It's 0.75 kg each. So I can say most of the weight from this mining machine is actually comes from the heat sink alone. And that is exactly why the Jasminer is called the perfect choice for home mining. Heat affects your daily life, right? Impact hash rate and ultimately your profits. That's why most miners care so much about that. And this Jasminer X16-Q, its internal layout is actually super clever too. So here is the air intake, right? And there is the air outlet. And check out how these fans point directly at the heat sinks, and even the small heat sinks is in front of the big ones. So this seems very simple and obvious and easy, right? But because of some technical reasons, many mining machines have their heat sinks placed randomly. They may be put here, they may be put there. So this is actually not easy, and this shows how Jasminer really put into work and didn't cut like corners with this kind of materials, right? They went all in with quality count maintenance. So this right here is the power supply. They didn't mess around, picked a really stable one. Not only it is super reliable, but also really quiet and keeps itself nice and cool. And next to the power supply is the main control board. Wait, let me show you guys. So this is the main control board. This handles the hash rate transmission efficiently through this big blue data cable. And the control board also manages the network and all the machine's controls. Okay. So here you go. Right, check out these beautiful chips. This is where the magic happens. These bad boys are absolute beasts. And the performance you are getting from these chips is insane. They are not just powerful, they are super efficient too. This is what makes this Jasminer a totally game changer. So this is everything from the teardown, and you can see why Jasminer is highly trusted from their creative ideas in productions, solid material used. And if you like the video, please don't forget to follow our channel, and if you're interested in some solid mining equipment, please visit on our official website JingleMining.com. I'll see you next time.